Ganesaya Namaha. Om Ganesaya Namaha. Om Ganesaya Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to today's topic. Today we are going to talk and practice Surya Namaskar. The word Surya is called sun. The word Namaskar, it means salutation. Surya Namaskar is called sun salutation. In Hindu mythology, sun salutation is a ritual, a prayer to the sun god. There are many other civilizations also pray to the sun god, like the Egyptian civilization, they pray to the sun god. The Mesopotamia civilizations, they pray to the sun god. In Christianity, they also pray to the sun god. In 20th century, a group of asanas, there are 12 asanas organized in a systematic way, is called Surya Namaskar. In South India, there was a king, Raja Bhuvan Rao. He organized these 12 exercises or the asanas in a systematic way. These 12 exercises belongs to a Indian traditional exercises. It's called Kusti. These 12 exercises or the Surya Namaskar is the combination with the asana practices, pranayam practices, and it have a direct connection to activate to the chakras. The 12 asanas are, the first one is called pranama asana, prayer pose. The second one is called hasta utthana asana. The third one is called hasta pada asana. The fourth one is called aswa sanchalan asana. The fifth one is called danda asana. The sixth one ashtanga namaskara. The seventh one bhujanga asana. The eighth one adhamukha swana asana. The ninth one aswa sanchalana asana. The 10th one hastapada asana. The 11th one hasta utthana asana. The 12th one prayer pose. These are the 12 asanas in sun salutation. These 12 asanas you have to practice with the opposite leg, the same sequence. It means in one set of Surya Namaskara is 24 exercises. But the 12 exercises is going to be repeat one more time. These 12 asanas of the Surya Namaskara have the 12 mantras. These 12 mantras are the 12th name of the God's Son. In the next topic, we are going to talk about the 12 mantras and the benefits and the contraindications of the sun salutation. Namaste. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.